This is a Cadillac Escalade-V, a 682 horsepower monster with a 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds, making it the fastest third row vehicle on the road. I'm gonna tell you why you need to own one of these. Starting off with the front here, we've got our iconic Cadillac blacked out grille with full front parking sensors, a 360-degree parking camera assist with the iconic night vision. I mean, you're Batman in the dark. You can see everything. Coming around here, we have very, very thin blinker lights, which is a really cool touch they did with these, around to the wheels. With the Cadillac V, you are gonna get these beautiful red calipers as well as beautiful 22-inch rims. These are not standard Cadillac wheels. They just come with the V. So you do have your 360 camera underneath your mirror. Like I said, it's full. It goes all the way around. Your iconic V badging to let you know that you're driving anything and will smoke anything on the road. Coming around here to the door, if we open this up, you do have your running boards that are very nice. They come standard with the V. If we come around to the side here, you'll notice that you don't have too much room here, dependent on the drive mode that you have in this car. If you're on the highway, if you're parked, when you're getting out, this has air ride suspension. Comes standard in the V. In different GM models, you can upgrade it, but this one does come standard with it. With that air ride, it's a very expensive system. It makes the quality of the ride just immaculate and very convenient for you getting in and out of the vehicle. All right, coming around to the rear here, you have the massive Cadillac taillights, something you don't quite see too often. Doesn't even look very Cadillac, but these sweet looking exhausts that make this thing sound absolutely phenomenal when you start it up, and which we are gonna do for you guys, just not yet. Give us a few seconds here. Another really cool feature, so you got your V badging in the back. On this vehicle, you don't see a tailgate open button. You've got your badge. Click that thing, it opens up right for you into the beautiful V interior. Okay, coming around to the side here, Cadillac always does a good job of their color coordination on their vehicles, the color combo they have. So they just went straight with the black on top, offset in the white. We do that with a lot of our vehicles here, kind of make it a panda looking style, but they automatically went ahead and did it. I wouldn't even make any correction to it, maybe black out the roof, but it's a really good looking vehicle. You got your silver badging that offsets this, or darker silver, massive 22-inch rim. Looks phenomenal. Let's go ahead into the interior real fast. I want to show you guys something. Coming in here, it feels like you're walking into a spaceship, man. Just the sleek design that Cadillac did with this V looks absurd. You've got tiny, slim air vents going throughout here that give you a jet stream of air straight to wherever you want it, and then a massive 38-inch infotainment system right here, going alongside a 16-inch color display for your air conditioning and your heat. And then the cup holder design here is very sleek wood trim. You got your cup holders, your red V key, and then the center console here, going alongside that, you have actually 4 USB-C and USB ports. Just an amazing design that Cadillac did. One of the things I love to harp on in vehicles is the speaker systems. This has an AKG 36-piece speaker system. Going alongside some subwoofers in the back that we'll show you guys. You've got this amazing speaker system ranging all the way to the front, and then we'll show you all the speakers that go throughout the back. But just a beautiful, beautiful job they did with this interior. So going along the night vision that you have with this vehicle, which makes it absurd either way, that's a very rare feature. You also have the Super Cruise, which is really just like it's an auto drive. On Teslas, you gotta have your hand on it, got an eye scanner. Look out the window, this thing drives for you, which is just absolutely absurd. And so any distractions, you gotta wave your hand back here, just make sure you're looking out the window and you'll be quite all right. So let's go ahead to the back here where this design just keeps on going and gets more beautiful. All right, going into the back here, we keep this sleek design going with perforated leather going throughout the rear seats, and that goes even to the third row. You've got these massive TVs in case the kids or friends that you're taking get involved in the infotainment system with watching TV or video games, anything like that. You've got heated second row seats. Up here on the roof, It is a suede roof. You just keep that luxury going, man. Just get this feeling of excitement whenever I step into this, just because I'm a massive V fan. So this thing is quite a thing of beauty. So let's go ahead into the rear. I want to show you guys something with the speaker system that is absolutely bonkers. All right, now onto the rear of the vehicle. So the seats do flip down, just like any Denali or Cadillac that you've seen before, full sized obviously. And then this does come with a massive 10-inch sub in the rear for your speaker system, just making it that much even better. This is on a truck chassis, so you can still haul 7,000 pounds with this vehicle. Now, the bread and butter of what makes this vehicle, not just any Escalade, but an Escalade-V. Popping this thing open is where the beauty is. You can see this has your 6.2 supercharged V8 making 682 horsepower. And this is what brings this vehicle to be the fastest 3-row vehicle on any given road. I know I promised you guys before, and I'm gonna stick to my word. Let's get this thing on. All right, so as you can tell, that is what makes the V its own category of a monster. That exhaust, it meshes and couples with the engine so beautifully. That is a video of the Cadillac Escalade-V that we have here at Krietz Auto. If you would like this vehicle, I can promise you it's not gonna be here for too long, but if you wanna take a look at it, take it for a test drive, go ahead and visit KrietzAuto.com or give us a call here at 301-694-4642, and we'd be more than happy to show you guys this. We'll see you in the next one.